Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today as we dive into another topic that I believe will truly resonate with all of you. Today, we're going to talk about something that we all need to do from time to time: spring cleaning our lives. Now, when we think of spring cleaning, we often think of decluttering our physical spaces, organizing our closets, and tidying up our homes. But what about our inner selves? Our minds, our hearts, and our souls? Don't they deserve a little spring cleaning too? One aspect of spring cleaning our lives that I want to focus on today is streamlining our work tasks. We all have those days where we feel overwhelmed with a never-ending to-do list, constantly busy but not really getting anywhere. It's time to distinguish between busy work and meaningful work. Busy work is all those little tasks that keep us occupied, but don't really contribute to our overall goals or bring us joy. It's the mindless scrolling through social media, the endless meetings that could have been an email, and the constant multitasking that leaves us feeling drained and unfulfilled. On the other hand, meaningful work is the work that aligns with our passions, our values, and our purpose. It's the projects that light a fire within us, the tasks that make us feel alive and inspired. When we focus on meaningful work, we not only feel more fulfilled, but we also make a greater impact in the world around us. So, how can we streamline our work tasks and focus on the meaningful? First, we need to take a step back and evaluate our priorities. What truly matters to us? What are our long-term goals? By identifying our priorities, we can start to eliminate the busy work that distracts us from what truly matters. Next, we need to learn to say no. It's okay to set boundaries and decline tasks that don't align with our priorities or values. By saying no to the things that don't serve us, we create space for the things that do. Lastly, we need to embrace simplicity. Sometimes we overcomplicate things and make our work tasks more complex than they need to be. By simplifying our processes and focusing on the essentials, we can streamline our work and make room for the meaningful. So, my friends, as we embark on this journey of spring cleaning our lives, let's remember to streamline our work tasks and distinguish between busy work and meaningful work. Let's focus on what truly matters and make a positive impact in our lives and the lives of others. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more content like this. And remember, it's never too late to start spring cleaning your life. You have the power to create a life that is filled with purpose, joy, and meaning. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.